So you've just bought a small die-cast model, but you don't like the color it has. So then you would need to repaint it. In that case, fully strip down the model of any of the plastic parts and disassemble it as much as you can. Once fully stripped and all the plastic parts removed, you are left with the die-cast metal body. Place that in a bag and pour in the paint stripper. While doing this, please take some safety measures into consideration. I would like to advise to wear some gloves and also a respirator so you don't breathe any of these fumes in. After pouring the paint stripper into the bag, then I just close it up and let it sit for a couple of minutes to eat away at the paint. Now there are many other paint strippers available on the market. This one I'm using is from Zero Paints and is very liquid. There are others that are not as liquid as this one and that need to be brushed on. The technique is pretty much the same, just put the paint stripper on the painted surfaces and let it sit for a bit, and afterwards clean it off with some water. The water will stop the acids from eating away at the paint and pretty much stop that from working at all and makes it safe to touch the surfaces again. After this is completed, the paint should all be removed. If not, please repeat the same process again until all the paint is removed. If there is still some paint in some small cracks and crevices around the body, I like to use a panel scriber just to remove those parts and also start the preparation for painting by making them a bit deeper and a bit cleaner. I hope this video can help you out in this process, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below, and also any suggestions on which how-to videos you'd like to see me do in the future, and I'll take those into consideration. This video was produced for Tom's Diecast Kits and Collectibles by the Scale Modeling channel.